Okay. I wanted to make sure it wasn't my exhaust. Hello, everybody, coming at you with all my might. It's my, how you guys doing today? Today, my friends, we are out on the Dual Sport adventure bikes. I have my Yamaha YZ450 FX Dual Sport conversion, and you, what do you have?
Ow, I just got a friggin' rock in my eye from you.
Oh, do you have your shield down?
No,
Oh.
but that's my fault. I have a 2018 Beta 350 RRS.
A Beta? You had to go and get a foreign bike, didn't you?
Yeah, Italian to go with the Ducati.
I didn't think about that. I got Italian boots. That's got to count for something.
Got a lot of extras on it. Pegs and radiator guards and Recluse auto clutch. And
now, why would you even get a Recluse on a motorcycle? That makes no sense.
because it's fun, and I'm old and I don't care, and I just want to ride. I've done all the clutching stuff. I just want to have fun and ride. Oh.
No, I got one too, so it's all. So that's a new bike. How did you end up getting that bike?
I looked on the internet for 3.5, 4 months looking for something that somebody actually took care of and didn't want $8 million for.
Oh, you mean people want $1 million for motorcycles?
They want $2,000 to $3,000 over book for almost everything.
You'd think it was like tax season or something.
Yeah, like the 2015 WR450 I looked at was streeted, and the guy wanted $8 grand for it, and it was a 2015. So yeah, it's crazy prices.
8 grand. I didn't even pay 8 grand, and this is a 2018. That's insane. So how much did you end up paying for that?
$6,800.
I couldn't remember if you said it or not.
And the guy really took care of it, gave me a whole entire manual for it. And
yeah, it definitely was a lot of searching. And
yeah, it's got 1,400 miles on it. Guy took good care, gave me a whole entire book with all the service manuals, all the service records,
I gotta
everything.
check something. I hear something slapping around. I'm not sure if it's my chain or my Okay.
Uh-oh.
I wanted to make sure it wasn't my exhaust.
There's it.
Now,
Oh.
nothing's loose. I don't know what's. I think it was in too high of a gear and I was getting chain slapped. Or I'm hearing it right there. Oh, it's my chain.
Looks like is this the weld pad maybe?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we've been up here once. It just goes up to a well pad.
Oh.
Man, this hill is perfect for wheelies though. I put some of that grease on my chain, so
Oh, the lithium?
yeah. So now it's making new noises. Yeah, we'll definitely have to get into a better groove and actually practicing talking some more.
Is there people up here?
No, there's just, I think it just drops us off on 2 different well pads.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Is that a trail camera? No, it's a mailbox.
Is it a trail camera?
Is that a trail camera? No, it's a mailbox. Holy crap, it's snowing.
In July.
Yeah, I wish. A lot of snow, actually.
I thought this came up in farther.
Well, there's an extra trail. It doesn't really, it's a lot slower when you can go slower. But when you actually can keep a decent pace, it doesn't take much to run out of trail or road. Yeah, just another dead end. For once, my goggles are not actually fogging up. The incredible torque.
Eco mode.
Holy blizzard.
Holy cow.
It's like crazy. A good thing I actually put pants on today.
Yeah. That's crazy because just a couple days ago it was in the 60s.
It's a time I like to call earlier that same day.
Yeah.
I thought you're gonna like ride off the tree and like balance on it like a beta rider.
Like Graham Jarvis.
Graham Jarvis.
He rides KTM though, don't he? Or
Oscar
Husky.
Varner.
There's another guy that rides beta that I was watching. Oh, do you know that European guy or that Australian guy? He's always
Enduro cross training.
yeah. And
Yeah.
he had that one guy come out and show him he rides a beta. He's like, he's leisurely riding and I'm doing all I can to keep up with him.
Yeah.
And the guy's just like riding off of big giant rocks and stuff.
Those guys are pretty insane. They have a lot of good educational videos.
Yeah.
That was the best one I got so far. Oh, you missed it.
I was waving to the guy.
I
heard you.
That whole entire time, I had the front tire in there. Just whop, whop, whop. Third gear, it's like not enough power, but just enough.
Yeah. Got to get to that, practice getting to that balance point at some point in time and then use your brake and